Hey everybody, Charles Phillips here with McKeag Chevrolet Buick, your East Texas dealer for the people. Today I'm going to show you how to use the controls for the driver information screen in the 2019 Chevrolet Trax. Alright, so what we're going to do is look over here on your little blinker stick. It's kind of what I like to call it. You'll see a few different buttons here. One's going to be your menu, which lets you change from trip on the driver information screen over to vehicle. So we'll go back to trip, and then what we're going to do is, you see the little up and down arrows, you kind of roll that forward or back and it'll kind of scroll through, cycle through your different options on your trip menu. So we start out at speed and we roll down, you see trip 1, trip 2, fuel range, instant fuel economy, your average fuel economy, average speed, and back to your speedometer. Alright, so now we're going to hit the menu button again, and that takes us to our vehicle options. So we see oil life remaining, tire pressure on all 4 tires. You can change from miles per hour to kilometers per hour there, and then back to remaining oil life. Now if we want to make any changes, there's actually a little button on the end of the stick that you'll press. So we'll go back to trip, and just for the illustration purposes, we'll go to trip 1, press this button on the end here, hold it for a second, and you'll hear the beep and everything clears out. So there it is, guys, the driver information screen in the 2019 Chevrolet Trax. Come see us at McKeag Chevrolet Buick, your East Texas dealer for the people.